Hello guys, welcome to Easy with Abubakar. Today I'm going to show you how to pass your KYC verification. Firstly, after you get a letter from the KYC company, from the Fi company, Fi Network company for the KYC verification, then all you have to do is that firstly you have to get your Fi browser. So the third one in Fi browser, then you have to click Fi browser. Then it will show you this page, which is install and sign into Fi browser. So if you didn't install it since before, so click the sign into Fi browser, then it will take you direct to your applications, iOS or Android. So if you have Android, it will take you to the Android version, it will take you to the Android, and then if you have iPhone, it will take you to the which is iOS. So all you have to do is that you just have to sign in. But if you already get the Fi browser since before, then it will take you direct to the application Fi browser. So now for me here, because I already installed the Fi browser, so it won't take me to the application store. It will just take me direct to the Fi browser. All I have to do is that, then click the sign into Fi browser. After you click sign, you just have to be a little patient until it's open. So after it's open, so here after it's open, all you have to do is that you just have to click the KYC file here, the third one KYC file, then click. You just have to be patient, okay? So after being patient, here we are. Then for me, because I've already passed the KYC verification, which is saying that which is you are able to validate applications only from your own country. So the kind of passport or phone number you use, that is indicated from which country you came from, which country you came from. So the country that you came from, so this is the type of tax that they will give you in your KYC verification. So for me, I've already passed my KYC verification. As you see here, it's saying that successful validations, which is total validation 10, and then accuracy percentage I have 10 out of 10, which is 100%. So now if I click the let's go, so clicking the let's go, they have already given you some warning, which is prohibited behavior reminder, which is you don't have to copy or screenshot, download or save, share with anyone. These three things that they give, you don't have to do it, because whenever you do it, then they will ban your Fi applications. So then click confirm. So after clicking to confirm, here we go. They will give you some kind of tag, some kind of text, which is a quiz. They're saying that when validators download, record, screenshot, or store validation data, when unsure, they can save data and force to KYC validators chat for help. Never download, record, screenshot, or store validation. That means before I move forward, this is the second one is the answer. And the third one is said, if issues arise, they can save and share to find a solution. If data is interesting or humorous, they can screenshot and share. So our answer is 2, because they already saying that never record or screenshot or store validation. Then we have to click the 2, then submit. Then here we go. We have already passed this one. So this is how you are going to continue doing your Fi KYC verifications. So for me, it's saying that it seems that our validators have done an awesome job and no application need to be validated. Please wait or try again later. So because I've already completed my KYC verifications, so now no need to continue the validations, because I've already done it successful. So for you guys, I can even giving you the second way, which is for your KYC verification. Here is saying retake tutorial. So in retake tutorial, you just have to click. After clicking, so we see that 1 to 7 document, okay, estimated time to complete it is 1 minute, okay. So here is saying that document match, you just have to click, you just have to give the answer correctly, which is you just match the document. You just match the document. So here as I can say, it's saying that United States ID card. Okay, so they have already given the passport from United States, which is this the right correct type? It's saying that it asking to they are asking you, is this the right correct type, genuine, correct, valid, clear document? So here is the what you have going to select, no or yes. But if you click no, you just have to specify. Okay, if you select no, please provide a reason for rejection, which is unclear photo. If the photo is unclear, after giving no, so you have to give, after clicking the no, so you have to click the your reason. But after clicking the if you click the yes, so it does mean no need to give the reason, then we can move forward next. So they say that it is wrong answer, the clear ID type does not match the one picture. So that means it is wrong. So that means after we click no, then we just have to check it is unclear photo, incorrect ID, expire ID. So let us click the incorrect ID. Let's see if we can pass this one. So that means we have already passed this one. So this is how you are going to pass your KYC verification if you get later from KYC Pi network company. So follow the my tags, and then you'll pass your KYC verification easy and simple like ABC. So thank you so much. If you find this video useful, please do share it to your friends, so that don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give a like, and then make a good comment. If you don't understand, you just have to click the comment section, ask your questions.